3 minutes away from loss of signal.
We've had loss of signal now.
For one priceless moment in the whole history of man, all the people on this earth are truly one.
That all men are created equal. I have a dream to one day live in a nation where they will not be judged by the color of their skin, but by the content of their character. I have a dream today. This must become true. So let freedom ring from every state and every city. I have a dream when all of God's children, black men and white men, will be able to join hands and sing in the words of the old Negro spiritual. Free at last, thank God Almighty.
Let both sides join in creating a new endeavor where the strong are just and the weak secure and the peace preserved, and let the oppressed go free. In the long history of the world, only a few generations have been granted the role of defending freedom in its hour of maximum danger. I do not shrink from this responsibility. I welcome it. The energy, the faith, the devotion which we bring to this endeavor will light our country and all who serve it. And the glow from that fire can truly light the world, knowing that here on earth, God's work must truly be our own.